Qazaq Kuresi is a result of the synthesis of all traditional types of wrestling on Eurasian continent. Qazaq Kuresi, ancient and spectacular wrestling on standing position. In 2016, Qazaq Kuresi was included in UNESCO representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. To date, in Kazakhstan, Brazil, South Africa, and in other countries have been organized 10 World Championships, 12 Asian Championships, 6 World Cups, 6 European Championships on Qazaq Kuresi. One of the competitions that raised the status of Qazaq Kuresi on international level in 2022, the World Championships, which included 3 age groups for the first time. In 2022, the United World Wrestling accepted Qazaq Kuresi Association as a member. Currently, Qazaq Kuresi federations operate in more than 40 countries of the world in the international area. In 2023, Qazaq Kuresi was included in the program of the World Combat Games. Athletes from 14 countries attended at Qazaq Kuresi competitions on this important event. In 2024, the 5th World Nomad Games will be held in Astana. Within the framework of these games, in Жақсылық Үшкемпіров Palace of Martial Arts will be held competitions on our national heritage, Qazaq Kuresi.
Жалпы көп шығынды талап етпейтін спорт түрлерін дамытқан жөн. Мысалы, шахмат, үстел теннисі, тоғызқұмалақ, садақ ату, қазақша күрес тағы басқа. Бұл қадам ең алдымен балаларымызды теріс әдеттен алыстатады және спорт залдарының тапшылығын азайтуға мүмкіндік береді.